It is high time computerized reservation system was introduced at Surat stop. This will be helpful to thousands of passengers of Gujarat and Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Odisha to stop. In the budget, there is an enormous hike in the suburban fares stop. Upper class fares have been increased by 20% stop. The increase in the second class fares is between 11 and 17% stop. It has been stated that the input cost of the railways has gone up by 8 times, but the increase in the passenger fares has been less than 4 times in the last 2 decades. Stop stanza. Freight rates have been increased by 7% stop. In the case of coal, it is 4% stop. There is also a sizable increase in the case of parcel rates from 25% to 50% stop. As a result of these increases, price will go up and consequently inflation stop. Directly or indirectly, the middle class and the lower class of the society will suffer stop. Their purchasing power will go down stop. Travel will become costly for the urban people and the coming man stop. The items for which they the raw material is coal will automatically become costly as the cost of production will increase by 4% stop. The increase in revenues will be helpful to the railways and the elite section elite sections of the society in one way or another. Stop stanza. The thrust given to gas conversion, electrification and technical upgradation will further improve the performance of the railways in the days to come. Stop. Here I would like to point out that a state like Gujarat has not at all been included for gas conversion stop. In the context of the critical economic situation, the Honorable Minister has done his best to make the railways in the year more effective, stop, productive and profitable in the days ahead. Stop. The performance of the railways in the year 1991 to 92 is commendable, particularly when we see that the general industrial growth has declined. Stop stanza. I now come to some specific demands, some specific problems concerning in my state, namely Gujarat. Stop. Gujarat is getting coal irregularly due to shortage of rakes. Stop. In the morning during question hour, we discussed about model railway stations stop. Navsari and Porbandar are two international and historical places. Stop. Lakhs of tourists are coming each year, but there are no facilities, no amenities at both the stations. Stop. Stanza. Navsari city is a prosperous city industrial and historical city. Stop. I must say that some amenities should be provided. Stop. We wrote some letters for providing amenities at these railway stations. Stop. I request the minister, sir, to do something in this respect. Stop. Oh.